Georgia Republican lawmaker wants to start a state Senate investigation into Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, and he says his constituents in Forsyth County were the motivation behind his new bill.
So he says they have questions about a relationship the DA may have with the special prosecutor in the case. 11 Alive's Doug Richards is live at the Capitol with what we know on this.
Yes, Republican Greg Dolezal from Cumming, Georgia, told us that part of his motivation is because the state of Georgia and the legislature specifically appropriates money which eventually ends up in the treasury of the Fulton County District Attorney's Office, used for some expenses, and therefore that gives the state Senate standing to launch an investigation.
About $3 million of state money goes to the Fulton County District Attorney's Office, and so we want to use our legislative authority to make sure that those tax dollars are being spent wisely, and there's a lot of questions around that.
Senator Greg Dolezal says the Republican-led state Senate should take a rigorous look at the office of Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, a Democrat. Willis's office persuaded a grand jury to indict former President Donald Trump and others in an election tampering case. It also hired Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade and paid his firm more than $600,000. A court filing alleges Willis has a personal relationship with Wade, a charge Willis has not answered. Dolezal says the Senate should use subpoena power to get answers from Willis and perhaps others.
The serious allegations that are out there as to whether or not this is prosecution for profit or there is some sort of inherent conflict of interest in the ongoing prosecution in Fulton County.
Dolezal's measure has the support of all the Republicans in the state Senate, which means that the bill is sure to pass there. Democrats say Dolezal is overstepping his bounds, that they don't really have, that this is not within their purview, and says that this is payback for Fani Willis's prosecution of the former president.